Hey y'all, so I am back and I'm off the sick and shut in list. Praise God. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to bake me a cake. I am in the spirit of feeling so loved, giving love, receiving it, all that, y'all. I done been bit by the love bug and I ain't even got a man. Now, you know that's next level. So I decided I'm going to do me a lemon cake with a twist. I had some Peak food coloring. I said, let me put this in here. So I added the food coloring to my cake mix. And then I poured it in my little cute pan that I got from Ross. I had some icing that I wanted to make pink as well. So I added some of the food coloring to that. So what y'all think about my heart shaped cake?